मासूम सर आए थे, उस पवन सिंह आए थे हमारे फेस्ट। बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते रहते हैं। अभी रिसेंटली कॉलेज में सिल्वर जुबली कंप्लीट करी है, उसमें भी बहुत सारे स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस और सिंगर्स डांसर्स वगैरह आए थे।
For the new emergent program and for the new students, for the freshers, Khan sir has also visited our college for guiding the students.
Guest was the governor of Bihar.
Students are coming from different states. We can say that GNIOT campus is a fully ragging free campus. Like students didn't doubt on this college that there will be ragging with the seniors, and seniors are very cooperative and they help us to progress.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today here we are present with a student of GIMS Institute. So I would like to welcome Suraj, Kuldeep as well as Soumya with us. So hello guys.
Hello, ma'am.
So let's begin with Soumya first. So Soumya, what inspired you to choose the college?
I was scrolling Instagram and I saw a reel of GIMS. So after seeing the reel, I did a research from my end. The corporate mentorship program that GIMS offer, the industry visit, the corporate exposure the college offers to the young graduate as we are a fresher. So the good corporate exposure that we are having, a day-to-day mentorship with the industry expert, that was my main focus to choose this college.
Okay, so Kuldeep, like what inspired you to choose the PGDM?
So like in MBA और मैं MBA और PGDM के बीच में थोड़ा सा रिसर्च किया कि किसमें क्या बेटर है. So like I found that मतलब in MBA लोग ज़्यादातर theoretical part पे ध्यान देते हैं colleges. PGDM पे ज़्यादातर practical exposure मिलता है. You go to industries for the visit. You go मतलब ज़्यादातर practical exposure पे ज़्यादा काम.
ओके सूरज, एज कुलदीप मेंशन कि पीजीडीएम में जो हमारा प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर है वो ज़्यादा है. सो एज ऑफ नाउ, एज यू आर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ कॉलेज, सो व्हाट एक्सपोजर यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस सो फार?
So far, I want to throw some lights on the corporate readiness program that is being conducted by the college day to day. Like each week, we have corporate readiness programs as well as expert sessions, as well as the industry exposure we get, like the live projects as well as the industrial visits too.
Okay, so like which industries you have visited so far?
What mentioned higher
LG.
LG.
Okay, so apart from practical and theoretical exposure, I just want to know that what sort of clubs are active in your college?
So ma'am, we have multiple clubs like Robinson Marketing Club, Finance Club, Research Clubs. LND we have like to develop the soft skills of the students to perform better in their assignments and with the better placements. Apart from this, we have the Nutan Club, ESA Club, CRC Club, and CRP Club as well. There are Sanskriti Club, Cultural Club. There are many clubs. Sparta Club for the sports events, Sanskriti Club for all the cultural activities that the college organizes, such as dancing and all the fest.
Okay, so apart from clubs and all, how supportive your faculties as well as your TPOs are, like for placements and all?
They are very supportive in that terms and they are very reachable. Like we do not have any particular system to follow to meet the faculties and the dean we can connect them. They are very the system is very free. We can reach the faculties anytime and they are available for us.
As well, we have been allotted, each mentor has been allotted with 5 to 7 students. And these, the students are capable enough to reach him out and discuss anything you can.
If we are facing any difficulty in our college, we can tell that to our mentor and our problem is resolved. Like we feel heard. Like it's not that we just need to reach our faculty or mentors in a college time only. We can connect them on WhatsApp or any part of the day or anything we have in it, even after the college hours also, or even on the day off that they are having. We can connect to them. We get the reply on a very quick basis.
And for like internship or placements, we are getting different mentors for this level to get more benefit in the assignment.
Okay, so as of now, have you, like, any of you guys have done any internships?
We have completed a life project. I have completed 2 life projects, one with Grand Thornton Bharat and another with the Pagoda.
Same with me. I have done 2 live projects, one with the Natraj and another with the Pagoda. And for now, I have got an internship offer with Opulence Business Solutions.
I have also completed one life project with Funds Audit and I have got an offer letter for my internship with Opulence.
What about you, Suraj?
I have completed my life project from the consulting firm, it was working for laminated sheets.
So, Hitin, if I talk about the ROI part, so what you can say on that?
Ma'am, about ROI, I can say that GNIOT is the best college, which in compared to ROI, as the minimum fees is of 8.5 lakhs, and which we are getting is the more than that. Students are provided by laptops, and many opportunities are there for students to grow. And
Apart from that, what extra exposure or like outside exposure you guys have got?
Okay, so college has taken us to a trip for to Gym Corbett for to reduce the student pressure. Apart from that, the college gives us the opportunity to visit international countries, which includes Malaysia, Dubai, etc. For the learning and growth and exposure of the students.
So apart from trips and all, if I talk about the most important part, the placements. So what is the average and highest package of your like college?
so for lowest package, I guess it's 5 lakhs, and for the highest, it goes to 15. What we have heard till now from our seniors. And in SIP also we get around paid internships more than averages in SIP we get 15 to 20,000 average.
15 to 20,000 as a stipend.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
Basic average package is around 8 to 9 lakhs, and the highest package goes up to 15 to around 20 lakhs.
So apart from your curriculums, how's your college life going on?
So apart from curriculum, college life is very hectic. Means we are not getting time for the extracurricular things. So we are just who are means giving the assignments, giving projects on time. All the things are being lined up, and in this we also go with the like बहुत सारे वो होते हैं yeah, fest college में we recently lined up from 11th we have a farewell for our seniors. Before that we have a fest also we have.
So we had a freshers in which मासूम सर आए थे, उसके पहले पवन सिंह आए थे हमारे फेस्ट के अंदर, और बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते रहते हैं. अभी रिसेंटली कॉलेज पे सिल्वर जुबली कंप्लीट करी है, उसमें भी बहुत सारे स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस और सिंगर्स डांसर्स वगैरह आए थे.
And for the new emergent program and for the new students, for the freshers, Khan sir has also visited our college for guiding the students.
And for the convocation of our seniors, the chief guest was the governor of Bihar. The college calls different celebrities to interact with students.
So how much like comfort this college provides you as a student of like coming from another state?
Ma'am, as students are coming from different states, we can say that GNIOT campus is a fully ragging-free campus. Like students didn't doubt on this college that there will be ragging with the seniors, and seniors are very cooperative and they help us to progress.
So are there any anti-ragging committees in the college?
Yes, there are few committees in the college which are for anti-ragging, and in that we have the seniors added in that, and few deans, faculties, and the students of this years are also added in that, so students can put their grievances freely.
Okay, so are there any classes for personality development and skills like the PTP classes and all?
We have our LND classes. We have LND classes regularly in which they focus on our soft skills. They teach us how to face the cross questioning in the interviews, and apart from that, we practice GDs, and there are multiple interactive activities which takes place.
And the interactive sections of interviews lined up, the situational questions, and how you can resolve a conflict between which happens in the future.
Okay, so last but not the least, I just want to ask you all individually that why PGDM?
Like it's more practical oriented program where we get more practical exposure from the externals, like we go to industries for the learning of the management, how the industries are been working, what are their management systems for the industries.
Okay, so what about you? What's your opinion on the same?
Yes, ma'am. As I can say that I am from a technical background, and I have chosen PGDM because I want to pursue my career in management field, and I have chosen GNIOT because I think that I had asked through seniors and they have suggested me that PGDM will give you a better exposure than MBA, and it's a more practical thing, and you will get to know about the what's running in behind the industry and corporate worlds. That's why I have chosen PGDM.
Okay, so now same questions to you both.
So I have chosen PGDM because it provides more of industry exposure, more of practical exposure than MBA, and more of certifications. Like there are 69 certifications in a PGDM program than MBA, and it provides us live projects for which deals with the more of industrial exposure, more practicing on the soft skill and enhancing that skills.
And for me, PGDM, because PGDM enhances the personality. It teaches more of the soft skills, communication part. We get to know the real world insights, and while visiting the industries and by talking to corporate professionals, it enhances the overall personality of the child.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. Me and my teams thanks a lot. Thank you. होपफुली आपकी सारी क्वेरीज सॉल्व हो गई होंगी और आपके सारे सवालों के जवाब आपको मिल गए होंगे. स्टिल इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी, आपको कोई भी परेशानी है रिगार्डिंग एडमिशन प्रोसेस, स्कॉलरशिप, प्लीज़ डू कमेंट बिलो, और यू कैन कनेक्ट विद अस. जो नंबर हमने नीचे प्रोवाइड किए हैं उन पर, और आप हमको इंस्टाग्राम पर भी रीच कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू गाइज, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.